So, at first we have a course from Harvard University. CSP is a course from CS50 series. This course is for Python beginners who want to start learning Python. It's completely free of cost. In this course you will learn about basics of Python, loops, objects, and some standard libraries like NumPy, etc. This is a great course for beginners who want to learn Python. Now at number 2 we have another course from Harvard University, but this course is not for everyone. This is special designed for those who wants to learn analysis skills using Python. You can also get a certificate from Harvard after completing this course for $249. This course is recommended to those who want to learn data analysis. This course includes case studies for practical learning and explores libraries like scikit, etc. This course is taught by Assistant Professor of Biostatics at Harvard. Now number 3 we have another free course from Harvard, but unlike the previous two it is a course on web development. In this course you will learn about HTML, CSS and JavaScript for front-end, and SQL, Django, Python for back-end. It's a complete course for full-stack development. You can learn from this course and make your own websites. Also, like the previous two, it also has a certificate for $199 if you want to. As the final course offered by Harvard in this video, CS50X is a great course for students. I personally advise engineering students to enroll in it during their first or second year since it covers a lot of material related to their curriculum and provides enough foundational knowledge to begin developing desktop and web applications. I would not recommend this course to anyone from a non-technical field, but it is an excellent subject for engineering students. At number 5 we have a machine learning course for total beginners. Among the many machine learning related topics you will study in this course is how to build machine learning models in Python. This might be the beginning of your machine learning career advancement. This course is at Coursera.org. Stanford University and DeepLearning.ai are the providers of this course. It is a good course to increase your skill set. The 6th course is offered by the University of Michigan. The best thing about this course is that it will start from the very basic to advanced Python applications, and you will be able to build your own advanced Python models. Overall, this is a very good course for people who don't know anything about programming. This is one of the best courses for Python and programming if you don't know anything about it. The final course of the video, offered by one of the most prestigious Massachusetts Institutes of Technology, is also about Python and programming. You will learn the fundamentals of creating your own Python applications in this course. The main distinction between this course and the previous one is that it is a little bit faster overall, but it is still a good course. In the video's description, I've included links to every course. Leave a CPMent for the course you want me to find for free.